When doing a 1031 exchange, a lot of investors assume that you have to reinvest all your sale proceeds or it'll blow up your exchange. This is simply not the case. In this video, we'll explain what a partial 1031 exchange is, how it works, and situations where you may want to use this strategy. Well, simply put, a 1031 exchange is a way that allows you to defer your taxes from the sale of an investment property. How a partial 1031 exchange works is you're still going to have to go through the qualified intermediary, make sure they're holding your funds. You're going to have to meet the deadlines of the 45 days and the additional 135 days, but you don't have to invest all the money. Whatever portion you want to keep to yourself, you just need to be prepared to pay the taxes, hence the term partial 1031 exchange. Well, that's called boot, like the shoe, right? And so any portion that isn't reinvested is subject to the tax as if you didn't do an exchange. So it would be important for you to consult with your tax professional to understand what that bill will be. Well, what if you needed a new roof, or you needed to send your child to college, or you just wanted to take a great vacation and utilize what your hard work has done for you? At this time, this is where a partial exchange may make sense to you. So remember, in a partial exchange, only the reinvested portion of your proceeds qualifies for the tax deferral. Anything you keep that's called boot, you're going to pay taxes on. If you'd like to explore more tax deferral strategies, visit 1031crowdfunding.com to learn how we can help you navigate your exchange with confidence. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss future videos on 1031 exchanges and real estate investing.